Hello everyone, let's get started. Today is August 4th. We're going to be looking at the Atlas line live as we speak, taking a look at the signals, what happened, what's going on, how to manage it. Before we begin, remember that trading is risky. Talk to your broker, understand there are risks involved with trading. If you like these videos, we have a lot of videos that we put out on a daily basis. You can learn price action for free. Just remember to subscribe, get notified, like the videos, and that way you'll never miss whenever we have these new videos explaining how we trade price action. Now with the Atlas line long signal 4406.75, remember to get this price or better, try not to chase
Order
it.
filled.
Within a tick or two is acceptable, but if you're entering this signal at 2 or 3 points higher, that's no good. So remember, we want to get the exact price within a tick, even a better price if possible. And if you look down at that yellow line, the ATR, that is the average true range. It tells us the target, the stop. If you're not aware of the new workshop we have on Day Trade to Win, it'll teach you all about using this price action tool,
Order
the ATR,
submitted.
and it could definitely help you as a trader understanding
Order
movement,
submitted.
targets, stops, price action. It's important, right? We're not trying to follow a typical indicator like an EMA or a simple moving average. We're trying to understand price action. Now, if you look at the specific trade here at 2 points, 2.25 points, that's my goal. If you're using 4 or 5 contracts, then you should be all in, all out, take your money and bank it. Keep it safe. Now, if you're trading with 1 or 2 contracts, you also have the opportunity to take the money and run, but also you could trail a stop. Now, usually we recommend that the market makes at least this 2 points or 1 times the ATR before considering you trail a stop. So just remember, you can trail a stop. If the market just keeps on going and going in your favor, fantastic. But at least let it make something in your favor, so that way you have nothing to lose in case it goes against you. Always have a stop. You can see there I have a stop, and also
Order
have
filled.
some specific target that you want to make. So the specific target that I wanted to make is based on price action, the ATR. It got filled. I'm not trailing a
Order
stop, and I'm
canceled.
finished. I'll look for a trade scalper signal, a blueprint, a roadmap, something else here as the day continues. But the goal is to trade less, more quality, as opposed to just continuing to trade and trade and trade all day, hoping for the best. We want to see if we can get and pick the best trades for the day. If you have any questions, visit the Contact Us page. Check out the next mentorship class starting in about 2 weeks. Email us, and I'll talk to you in the next video. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye now. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.